In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to pull a YouTube video out of Safari and into its picture-in-picture mode so that we can do other things on our computer whilst watching the video. All we need to do is go over to a YouTube video, right-click it once, and right-click it again, and click Enter Picture-in-Picture. As you can see, it's now going to be playing on the side there, and I can drag it around whilst I locate my files, and play the video too. In today's video, I hope this video has helped. To exit picture-in-picture, just press the X mark here. Visit KazziCom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.